You are now tuned in with Trophy. Go Trophy. We can laugh, crack jokes, be open. Go Trophy. Only with Trophy.
Hey Tro Squad, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a wig from Dorsanee hair. It's my first time working with them and I am definitely impressed. I'm showing you guys everything they send in the package. They send lashes, a wig cap, and an elastic band. This is what the wig looks like. It is a very long kinky straight wig. It's 26 inches. This is a 4x4 closure wig. I did go ahead and bleach the knots and I did a little bit of plucking, so this is what it looks like after I plucked it. I didn't pluck too much, I just need to do a little bit, and this is how it turned out. The lace looks really nice. This is HD lace. This is an up close look at the cap construction. You get a clip in the middle, you get a clip at the back. It also has an adjustable strap so you can adjust it to make it tighter or looser depending on your head size. So I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. It's wefted in the middle. It's really nice quality wig. I'm just gonna go ahead and put on my wig cap. I like using the black wig caps, and I'm just trying it on just to see what it looks like. I'm showing you guys what the HD lace looks like. As you can see, it clearly does not match my skin tone, so of course we're going to change that. We're going to spray it with my lace tinting spray. And then I tried it on and it definitely matched my skin tone a lot better. So I'm just using a hot comb to get all of the hair out of the way, and then I am going to cut it in a zigzag motion. Then I am going to put the wig on again. It looks so good, like flawless. So originally when I got this wig, I thought I was going to lay it down with like some spray, but as you can see, it looks so good and it just blends so nicely. The lace looks really nice. So I decided to wear this one as a glueless unit, so I didn't apply any spray or anything on it. I did go in a little bit with my foundation color so it can match even more. So here's another up close of what the lace looks like on my skin. It just looks very natural and blends really nicely with my skin tone. So I am just gonna go in with my flat iron, and I'm gonna flat iron this hair. Like I said, this is a kinky straight hair. It's 26 inches, but I always like to get rid of all the little crinkles and anything. And then once I'm done with this side, I'm gonna show you guys a comparison of what it looks like when you just leave it how it is versus when you flat iron it. Okay, so I'm just parting it to show you guys how nice the lace is and how much it looks like scalp. This wig looks very realistic, especially if you have like natural hair or anything. It definitely mimics natural hair texture when it is straightened. This wig is super soft and I didn't get any tangling or anything. So I'm just continuing to flat iron my hair all over. Okay, for the final steps, I'm going to go in with my wax, and then I'm going to hot comb the top of my hair to get rid of any flyaways or anything. You guys can see how easy this install was. It was super easy. I love the fact that I didn't have to lay it down with any glue or anything. It is nice and secure to my head. It fits my head perfectly. And then, oh yeah, I did go in and I did do some layers, because y'all know how I always do. I like to frame the face, so I did some layers. But yeah, as I was saying, this hair is really nice, really soft. It's so pretty, and it was a super easy install, very, very beginner friendly. I really liked the hair quality. This is my first time working with this company, and I would definitely work with them again because they do have nice quality hair. So I'm going to show you guys what the hair looks like to the back, so you guys can see how long it is on me. It does go all the way down my back. So yeah, it has a lot of movement, a lot of body, it has a lot of shine. It just looks so pretty. And then here's even more proof that the wig is glueless. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.